Hello and welcome everyone, Dante here. I hope you're all doing well. This video will focus on explaining what Gemini Man Wear as Manager is. First of all, it is a powerful ADB tool created back in 2022 as an expansion of SHM Mod Companion. And over the years, it kept growing, maturing to have more features and be more stable. I have built the app in a way to reduce input entry to make things more convenient and to have accessibility support for those who are vision impaired. Before I start, just to be clear, I'm using Samsung DeX, so my phone screen is on my computer screen. So let's dive right in. When you open the application, you'll be at the Home tab. Here, you can change the language if the current language is not very clear due to the use of Google Translate. Also, you can scroll down to see ways of contacting me and browse all the content I made on the Play Store through Gemini Man apps and watch faces. Moving on to the guide. In here, you'll find a collection of Gemini Man Wear OS Manager tutorials, and the video you're watching is called Intro to the App. Next is the Wear OS Manager tab, where most ADB operations are performed, and each part will have a video tutorial to make it easy for you to follow. Right after, you will see the Logcat. It is mainly used for viewing watch logs live and saving them. It also allows you to view saved logs shared by someone who used the app. Then comes Settings. It has few configurations that you can adjust according to your needs. Moreover, you can import and export preferences. Next would be the Support Me tab. This is where you can support me as a developer and sole maintainer of the app. Thanks in advance to everyone who does. And finally, Permissions. As I believe in transparency, I want to make sure that each permission in the application is clear. As I've mentioned in the beginning, every tab and section will have explanatory video of its own. And that will be all. If this video was useful, please leave a like. It really helps out. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or reach me out on any of my social media. I am more than happy to help. If you're enjoying Gemini Man Wear OS Manager, consider sharing it with your friends so more people can benefit from it. And just a reminder, as a developer who dedicates free time to creating apps and watch faces, everything I publish is completely free with no ads, so your support is highly appreciated. In the next video of the series, we will continue exploring everything Gemini Man Wear OS Manager has to offer. See you.